Alright guys, so welcome in the second step about how to start to make your online business in 2018. It's really important to make everything by steps to understand the opportunity, to understand what exactly you must do here. Because like this you can explain your people and you could start to make the money faster. And do you know a lot of the question I receive about the team? I hope that this opportunity is not a scam. I hope that the opportunity is legit. I know that when I just starting to searching for the business, when I just starting for the searching for the same opportunity, I check a lot of the companies. And guys, you have the same opportunity, you have the same option to check everything before start. And what the problem? You can go to the Google, you can go to the YouTube, Facebook, and check everything before BEPIC Company before start. But I want to tell you on the 100% that this is legit opportunity, guys, because I know that people who's working here, I know that Mr. Eric Capper is a great man. Just I want to show you his website is here, and it's really legend in the network marketing. He's the legend in the business. He made the legacy already, guys, and this is that what we're doing here. Just I want to tell you that if you'll make a decision to join the BEPIC company, you can be on the 1000% confident that everything will be alright, because here is the huge team who every time support you. They give you all the information, they give you all the tools to start to make the money, with share with everything you need. And it's really important. It's really important to understand what kind of the opportunity in your arms, because the people, they do not understand. I knew that most of you was making the registration before in the other websites, right? And most of them, not most of them, I don't know, but I think that most of them was scam. And maybe right now you're thinking also, I found the website, the BEPIC company already, okay, just maybe this is scam, maybe I don't know what to do here. But what the problem to ask, you can ask, because right now in our age we have the opportunities to communicate with the people, to speak with them. And you could speak not just with me, you can find a lot of the context on the internet, you can find a lot of the people who work in here in the BEPIC company and ask them about what the opportunity, what are you doing here, how is that, what you can say. And the people will tell you that this is incredible, that this is that opportunity which is gonna change the life of the people, guys, into 2018. And I'm sure that it will change your life also if you will make a decision to start to make this business with us. BEPIC company, guys, right? And also popular question from the people is why I should join BEPIC company, because a lot of the similar network marketing companies where we can just start to make the business. And of course you can search for another companies, but I know that in the BEPIC company we have the most powerful compensation plan. I know that we have the unique products which you couldn't find in the other companies. I know that we have here the best support which you couldn't find in the other companies. And that's why the company is the best. And you know, the other companies who's working 10 years or 20 years, the market is full already of that products. But the company who's working 2 years right now at the BEPIC, at first you could see the company is already working 2 years, yeah, everything alright, the company is growing, and this is the best chance right now to join, because the market is not full, and you have the chance right now to get in this business and to start to make that better for yourself, to start to change in your life. So what I want to tell you about all of that, the second step about how to start to make business in 2018, this is the revolution, guys. This is the revolution company where you can start to make your dreams come true. It's that company where you can just start from the zero and go into the millions. It's absolutely possible for everyone. And this really worldwide opportunity, because it doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter your age or your profession. It's everything depends on you. You could be any person what you want to be here. And just right now I want to show you how to search for the reviews before you start something, before you join some opportunity, before you start in the business. If you do not trust for the people, of course you couldn't trust before you check everything by yourself. You just go into the Google and type like BEPIC reviews, BEPIC reviews, or just review and searching. You're searching for all the details about it. You can check the reviews about the videos, you can check the reviews about the audio or the people who's working here. You could see that a lot of the people they work in here, not just one person or two person, there is thousands of them. They explain it, the facts, they explaining that this opportunity is legal, you could start to make that. All here is open, all the contacts, and if you see some company where is nobody promote that, if you see just one link about some company, of course on the 100% it will be the scam. But if you could see that thousands of the people working here and everything is open, you could speak with everyone who's working here, you could find a lot of the people. So just what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You can contact anyone. You could contact anyone to start to speak with him. If you do not understand something, if you don't believe in something, you could just check. You could just check and start to make that business. You could see that everybody, they just open their mobile numbers. They open everything about the company. They're waiting for you. They're waiting for that people who wants to join them and start to make the legacy together. And that's why I want to tell you, if you don't believe in something, every time you can check. You can check the people, you can check the opportunity, you could check everything about the company and make a decision to join. Because in this company, the people, they making a lot of the money. They making thousands of the US dollars. And your time is right now. Your time is right now, and I want to tell you honestly, guys, if you want to find the life like the Eric Caprars have right now, so you must to do that what he done already. Only like that you will find, because the people, they don't want to change. They don't want to change themselves. They don't want to do something new. They don't want to change the habits. That's why the problem. That's why the problem what they cannot make anything. And this is the problem of the 90% of the people, because they don't want to change the habits. If you was making the poor habits before, and if you were not gonna to change them, so nothing is gonna change. Nothing will be. You will be in the same place, you will be in the same house, you will be in the same position, and it will not grow in. Nothing will be, guys. So this is my meaning about all of that. An idea of this video about how to start to make money in the 2018, the second step, idea about the second step, it's give you the information about the understanding what kind of the opportunity you have in your arms. You must understand that. You must understand on the 100% that you could find success with this opportunity. If you will not gonna believe in that, if you will get it just like a website where you can make like few bucks, like $50 per month or something like that, so guys, better don't join this opportunity, because you will get fail. You will get big fail here and nothing will be. But if you have the desire to start to make a lot of the money, to start to make the thousands of US dollars per month, if you have the desire to help in the people, so this is your company. This is your company, this is your chance right now to start something incredible with the great man, with the Eric Caprars, with the Larry Lane from the Hollywood, California, and with the team of leaders, guys. So join the BEPIC right now, ask the question if you don't understand something, and I will see you soon in the third step, so don't miss it. It will be really interesting. It was Team Wider, and I hope that you understand my idea. We'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.